SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Make a great choice today with the 2009 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.